We're at Subic.
We're still in SCTEX.
SCTEX on the way to Subic.
So big
Kasi,
to check the yacht.
and the Airbnb. So, finalizing na.
So please make sure for those who haven't signed up with the RSVP, it's a must. Are you excited now? Under legality coming out?
Coming out! Yes, I'm excited sa celebration, pero I'm not. I think I'm not yet ready. Yeah.
Why?
Kasi sayang mo, di mo na ako love pag 18.
Yes. Hindi naman sa hindi na love. But I let your wings, I let you soar high.
Talaga?
Yes.
Eme lang yun. Kasi super sepunk siya sa akin. So I doubt.
O, sa mga gusto pong magregalo kay Princess, yun na lang po panghugas bigas niya. Kung paano ka fund.
Hindi, gusto ko magpa-rhinoplasty.
Dati LASIK. Ano pa talaga? LASIK.
Actually, gusto ko talaga magpa-LASIK. Kaso sabi nila, ano daw?
Mabalik after 20 years.
Yeah, so,
Okay
it's not
lang,
recommended.
yes.
No, I mean, it's not recommended daw. So, kasi it will permanently damage your eyes. I don't know what part, pero
What part?
cornea?
Yeah, cornea talaga naman yung
Like, whatever that is.
Yeah, cornea is the
And then, so what
core.
do we still need to,
So for today, we're going to go to the Subic Bay Yacht Club to check out the yacht. And then after that, we'll go to the Airbnb Nocana. It's located at the tip of the mountain.
Okay, so we're on the way to the Airbnb kasi doon na kami mag-check sa yacht. And doon na kami si Mommy mag-settle ng payment. And now we're on the way to the Airbnb. Once the living area, ang nice niya, oh. Tapos you get that view. Okay, so confirmed na yung Airbnb kasi As you can see naman kanina, I took a video. Sobrang nice ng place. And it's what? 5 minutes away? Or 10 minutes? From the
11.
11 minutes away from the docking point. So, ayun. Next stop, Royal Duty Free. Kasi we're gonna look for snacks and drinks. Yes, and alak daw. Kasi dito na lang kami bibili instead of buying sa Manila or sa Pampanga tapos travel pa. So, mommy said, masarap daw tong barefoot na to. Pero, I have no idea. I haven't tasted any of these. Pero, ayan. So, baka we'll get one of each. Or, like, kahit 2 lang. The pink Moscato or the ano. Yes, nakikita ko rin to Novelino. Pero, I don't know kung masarap siya.
Tapos, yung JD, Jack Daniels.
Yes.
Jack Daniels. Diyos ko, pag kayo, di pa kayo nalasing yan, ha? Ilang bote nun, yung Jack Daniels? Isa.
Ay,
Mahal
sige.
siya. Oh, yellow.
Okay.
2,000
Tapos,
plus.
Jaeger.
Magkano yun?
800? Ganun. So, we're home na! And I drive on the way home. Akala ko passenger princess na ako the whole day. Pero, I guess not. And you na, how have you been? Oo naman to naiwan mag-isa. So, ang dami palang putol na clips kanina. It's because full storage na ako. And right now, I'm recording here sa laptop. Kasi, yun nga, full storage na yung phone ko. So, I transferred all the videos I took kanina here sa laptop. And then, I'm gonna start editing na para I can upload them and get rid of them already. Kasi naghihingalo na yung phone ko. So, yun, I had fun vlogging today. And I'll try to upload this before my birthday. Siguro tonight or tomorrow. Na agad. Pero pag napanood na ng friends ko, hindi you already know what to expect. Bahala na. Pero if hindi pa ito napapanood ng friends ko before my birthday, edi nice. Kasi, diba? You don't know what to expect. Pero, that's it. Ayun lang. Bye!